Today we are going to study lesson 13, air and water. This is the air and water. We have completed this lesson and also revised up to the A, fill in the blanks. Today we have to see B, take the right answer. So you can see worksheet 13. Worksheet 13. So B, take the right answer. Take the right answer. Here is the first. The light gives gas. The light giver gas in the air is the gas which provide life. The air which provide life is, you know that air is a mixture of the gases. So first is the air, second carbon dioxide, and third is oxygen. So here oxygen is correct option. Oxygen is correct option. Next, when we breathe air through the nose, it is called. When we breathe air through the nose, it is called. Three options are given: evaporation, respiration, and the condensation. So which will be correct answer? Respiration. So second, you see respiration. Second one, the respiration. Now third, gaseous form of water is. Gaseous form of water is, three options are given: steam, air, and the ice. So here gaseous form of water is steam. Steam. And fourth, steam cools down and changes into, steams cool down and changes into, three options are there: water vapor, water, and the ice. You know that the steam cool down and changes into water. So correct answer is water. Water is the correct option. Now next, in the sky, water vapors form rain, clouds, and snow. These water vapors ultimately form the clouds. So here clouds are the correct options. So this, take the right answer. Once again listen. The life giver gas in the air is oxygen. Next, when we breathe air through the nose, it is called respiration. Now third, gaseous form of water is steam. Next, steam cools down and changes into water. And fifth, in the sky, water vapors forms clouds. So now see next. C. Trivandrum Falls. So first you see, first question. We breathe in air all the time. We breathe in air all the time. Yes, it is correct answer. Because respiration takes place 24 hours. So it is the correct answer. Now second you see, the layer of air surrounding us is called atmosphere. The layer of air surrounding us is called the atmosphere. Yes, it is correct. It is also correct. Now third you see, moving water is called wind. No, moving air is called wind. So third is incorrect. Third is false. And fourth, germs are very small living things that can make you sick. Germs are very small living things that can make you sick. Yes, it is correct. Yes, it is correct. Germs, you know some germs are just like bacteria, fungi, protozoa. These are included in the germs and they can cause the diseases. So this is fourth is also the true. 33% of the earth's surface is covered with water. 30% of the earth's surface is covered with water. No, is it false? So we have studied today we have studied the right answer. So now see, name the following. Name the three main gases that air contains. So three main gases that air contains are oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen. In which oxygen is a very important gas that is used by us for the respiration, and carbon dioxide is released during the respiration. What is polluted air? What is polluted air? When smokes are released into the atmosphere and get mixed with the air, such air is called as the polluted air. Polluted air causes diseases. It is not harmful for us. Now next one is the question. After that, what are the uses of water? You know that water is mainly used for the drinking purposes. Without water, we cannot live. But water is also used for several purposes, just like washing, cleaning, bathing, watering plants, putting out fire, etc. These are the uses of water. Now next, what are the forms in which water exists? What are the forms in which water exists? So water exists in three forms. One is the solid, liquid and gas. In the liquid form, water may be found in the liquid form, which is generally used, and when it gets heated, it is converted into the water vapor. This is called gaseous form, and when temperature reduces, it is converted into the ice. So ice is the solid form of the gases. So water is found in the three forms: solid, liquid and gas. Solid form as the ice, gas form as the water vapors, and the liquid form as water we are using for the drinking purpose. Now, what is water cycle? What is water cycle? The cyclic revolving change of water into water vapor and then into water again is called as the water cycle. In water cycle, evaporation, transpiration, condensation, these processes takes place. And diagram, it is given in our book, so you gain the practice for making this diagram. Thank you. That's all.